Latest news is that Brahmastra has simply stormed at the box office, shattered all the records at the box office, and has crossed around 120 crores in the weekend All India collection and 250 crores worldwide gross collection in the weekend. So people were saying that boycott Brahmastra, boycott Brahmastra, boycott Brahmastra. So much trend they are trending. So where is the boycott? घंटे का लौड़े का बॉयकॉट हुआ है. अरे यार 120 करोड़ इंडिया में मार रहा है और 250 करोड़ वर्ल्ड वाइड में कर रहा है. ओपनिंग लिया है 36 crores, then Saturday 42 crores and yesterday Sunday 45 crores. So where is the boycott? Where is the boycott? There is no boycott only. I'll tell you where is the boycott. So those who have trending boycott in the social media, they definitely don't go to the theaters, or whoever goes in the theaters also, I think the boycott, whoever are trending boycott also, they also have went to the box office tickets, they have booked the tickets and watched there so that they can do negativity on social media. They also have booked the tickets. So where is the boycott movement? Where is the boycott movement? There is no boycott movement, there is no lockdown bahana and all those things. If people want to watch your film, then definitely watch your film. If your film have created a buzz and if songs are good, then if promotional events are good, and if it connects with the audience and creates a buzz, nobody can stop your film. This just shows that. And this also teaches a lesson to the public, saying that social media life and ground reality, real life and real life, zameen asman ka fark hai, zameen asman ka fark hai. Just switch off your mobile phone and switch off your Wi-Fi and go to the ground reality. You'll see the reality of life. Social media is just a illusional life, delusional life. It is like that. It just proves that. Some days few people were saying that big budget films are failing. It's all due to boycott. No boss. The film is simply not connecting with the audience. The film didn't have factors which is causes the film to become hit. It didn't have. Brahmastra had all the elements. Yes, the movie has flaws definitely. The movies has flaws. I've told in the things that they have concentrated more on the love story rather than the Astraverse, whatever they have promoted and done the multi-gimmick. But definitely the movie is one-time watchable movie. Definitely one time you can watch it. Definitely it's not that bad also. Seriously. And songs and everything, whatever the Bollywood elements are there, seriously it is really good. After a long time, a Bollywood film is giving chartbuster songs, which is absent in all those previous big budget films which has failed at the box office. So great comeback from Bollywood, and definitely Dharma Production should give this Ayan Mukherjee one more chance to make this Brahmastra Part 2. I will say I'm not excited for Part 2. I'm not excited or I'm hyped up to watch Part 2, but definitely according to me he should be given a Part 2 because Chutia picture is coming from Dharma Productions, like Student of the Year 2, then Jug Jug Jio, and all those. No visionless projects are coming. Means visionless projects are coming, and those projects are taking 100 crores budget. So instead of wasting on those 4 movies 100 crores and making box office flops, better back this director and give a budget to make this film. 4 those Jug Jug Jios, 4 Jug Jug Jio is equal to 1 Brahmastra. So I will say that back him because this is a unique project. VFX works is brilliant, 3D is brilliant, but 2D some feedback they are saying that it's looking dull because laser show it's looking like in 2D, but 3D effects is really good. So VFX is having, then songs it is having, and the storyline, the basic plot is really interesting. If you go deep, then the plot is interesting. Inexperience of direction, he focused more on the love story and some of the elements. Screenplay wise, he has done little bit of garbar. That is lack of inexperience. He'll get experience and Part 2 will make it much better. So I would say back it. Instead of backing directors who are making those Student of the Year and those Kalank and all those kachra, back this director, I would say. Seeing the box office numbers for the weekend, one thing is guarantee is that boycott, there is nothing called as boycott. If the movie is connecting with the audience, if it is creating hype, definitely audience will go to the theaters. Definitely. Be it from any industry. There's no boycott and all those things. First thing. Second thing is that now we have to see ultimately how much this movie collects. What is the repeat value of this picture? For me, this movie is not repeat value. One time definitely you'll enjoy. One time you can watch it definitely. And third thing is that after a long time, Bollywood has given a great records it has created in the weekend and has made a great comeback. After post-pandemic, I think post-corona, only Suryavanshi has made a decent number at the box office. That it has become a box office hit. Suryavanshi. After that, I think Bhool Bhulaiya has collected good numbers. It has collected 60 crores budget. It has become a blockbuster. Bhool Bhulaiya. Now this Brahmastra, financially, it's a great comeback from Bollywood. Means this film has saved Bollywood. I would say this film has saved.